Hey, welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today, we're taking a quick look at the 2025 Tesla Model Y, the electric SUV that's turning heads. If you're thinking about going electric, this might just be the car for you. First up, the design. The 2025 Model Y maintains Tesla's signature sleek and modern look. The refreshed front end and updated taillights give it a more refined and futuristic appearance. Plus, the all-glass roof not only looks great but also adds a sense of space to the cabin. When it comes to performance, the 2025 Model Y offers impressive options. The long-range version now delivers up to 350 miles on a single charge, making it perfect for those long road trips. And if you love speed, the performance model goes from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.5 seconds. With dual-motor all-wheel drive, you're looking at great handling and traction in all kinds of weather. Inside, the Model Y is all about minimalism and technology. The 15-inch touchscreen remains the centerpiece, controlling everything from navigation to media. Tesla's latest autopilot features come standard, with optional full self-driving capabilities for those who want the latest in autonomous tech. There's plenty of room for passengers and cargo, making it a practical choice for families or those who need extra space. Driving the Model Y is a dream. It's smooth, quiet, and responsive, with that instant acceleration electric vehicles are known for. The low center of gravity gives it a stable and confident feel on the road, making every drive enjoyable. Now, for the price. The 2025 Tesla Model Y long range is expected to start around $52,000, while the performance version will cost about $60,000. With its impressive range, performance, and cutting-edge tech, the Model Y offers a lot for its price point. So, is the 2025 Tesla Model Y the electric SUV for you? If you're looking for a blend of style, performance, and practicality, it's definitely worth considering. Tesla continues to push the boundaries, and the Model Y is a prime example of that. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this quick review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and let us know what you think about the 2025 Tesla Model Y. Until next time, stay charged and drive safe.